Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Is the DJI Mavic 4 on the horizon, and if so, when can we expect its arrival? What groundbreaking features will this potential drone titan bring to the table? Let's dive into the world of rumors, speculations, and expert insights to uncover the truth behind this highly anticipated release. DJI, the undisputed leader in drone technology, has a history of pushing the boundaries with each new product. The Mavic series, in particular, has garnered immense popularity among both hobbyists and professionals alike. With the Mavic 3 series celebrating its third anniversary, the anticipation for its successor is reaching a fever pitch. Looking back at DJI's release patterns, we can make educated guesses about the potential launch window for the Mavic 4. Considering the company's tendency to introduce flagship drones towards the end of the year, it's reasonable to speculate that the Mavic 4 might make its debut in the fourth quarter of 2024. However, this is purely conjecture based on historical data, and surprises are always a possibility in the fast-paced world of technology. Regarding pricing, DJI has a habit of maintaining consistent pricing for successive generations while introducing new features and enhancements. Therefore, we can anticipate the Mavic 4 to be priced similarly to its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro, which would put it in the range of USD $2,199 or approximately $3,100. While official details about the Mavic 4 remain shrouded in secrecy, rumors and speculations abound. Given DJI's track record of innovation, we can expect significant advancements in various aspects of drone technology. One of the most anticipated features is an enhanced camera system. The Mavic 3 Pro boasted an impressive 3-camera setup, but rumors suggest that the Mavic 4 might adopt a dual-camera system similar to the DJI Inspire 3. This shift could potentially lead to a more compact and streamlined design while maintaining exceptional image quality. Improved sensors and larger sensor sizes are also on the wish list of many drone enthusiasts. These advancements could translate to better low-light performance and higher resolution images, expanding the creative possibilities for photographers and videographers. Obstacle avoidance and flight safety are paramount in drone technology. We can expect DJI to further refine its Advanced Pilot Assistance System, APS, with even more sophisticated algorithms for obstacle detection and avoidance. This could potentially make the Mavic 4 the safest and most autonomous drone ever created. Longer flight times have been a consistent goal for drone manufacturers, and DJI is no exception. With each new generation, we witness improvements in battery technology, and the Mavic 4 is expected to be no different. Increased flight times would undoubtedly enhance the overall user experience and allow for more extended aerial adventures. Connectivity and range are crucial factors for drone performance. DJI's OcuSync technology has been a cornerstone of its success, and we can anticipate the Mavic 4 to feature OcuSync 4 for even more reliable and stable connections, especially in challenging environments. Intelligent flight modes have become synonymous with DJI drones, and the Mavic 4 is likely to introduce groundbreaking features in this area. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning could unlock new levels of automation and creativity, empowering users to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. Design and build quality are always areas of focus for DJI. We can expect the Mavic 4 to maintain the foldable form factor for portability while incorporating refinements for increased durability and aerodynamics. While these are just speculations based on available information and industry trends, they offer a glimpse into the potential capabilities of the Mavic 4. Ultimately, DJI will undoubtedly surprise us with innovative features that redefine the drone landscape. As we eagerly await official announcements, the anticipation for the Mavic 4 continues to grow. Whether you're a professional drone pilot or a passionate hobbyist, the Mavic 4 promises to be a game-changer that pushes the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. Until then, keep exploring the world of drones and stay tuned for more updates on the Mavic 4. Would you like to know more about specific features or potential release dates?